Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What a wild week it's been, folks. I've got a story for you that's got me thinking a lot about accountability, justice, and the systems we rely on to keep us safe. Let's dive in, shall we? So picture this. A security guard, someone you'd expect to be a pillar of trust and integrity, is now on the run from the law. His name is Kanwarpal Singh, and he's not just any security guard. He's been charged with 4 counts of money laundering. That's not exactly the kind of thing you'd expect from someone entrusted with protecting people and property, is it? But here's the kicker. Singh has fled New Zealand and hasn't returned since January, and now the authorities have issued a warrant for his arrest. This is not just a local story, it's a global one, and it's got some serious implications for the security industry as a whole, and it's a key part of many organized crime operations. So when a security guard is accused of this, it's a big deal. It's not just about the money, it's about the trust that people place in the security industry to protect them. Singh didn't show up in court when he was supposed to. That's a big no-no. In most legal systems, failing to appear in court can lead to a warrant being issued for your arrest. But in this case, it's even more serious because he's not just failing to appear, he's fleeing the country. That's not just a slap on the wrist. That's a direct attempt to avoid justice. And that's exactly what the authorities are saying. Trish McConnell, a senior officer at the PSPLA, has stated that while Singh hasn't been convicted, his failure to respond to the police complaint or request a hearing means he's avoided facing the charges. You're not just dodging a legal battle, you're dodging accountability altogether. Because under the Private Security Personnel and Private Investigators Act, if someone who hasn't been convicted but has fled and avoided legal process is considered disqualified from holding a security certificate. So Singh is no longer suitable to work as a security guard. That's a powerful message. It's not just about punishing someone who's avoided the law, it's about ensuring that the security industry remains a trusted profession. If someone is willing to flee the country to avoid justice, they don't belong in a role that's supposed to protect people and property. You're not just breaking the law, you're breaking the trust of the people who rely on you. And that's a serious consequence. It's not just about the certificate, it's about the integrity of the entire profession. If people in the security industry think they can get away with criminal behavior, then the whole system starts to break down. That's not where we want to be. I know some of you might be thinking, but wait, he hasn't been convicted yet. How can they just cancel his certificate? That's a fair question, and the answer is that the PSPLA isn't just punishing him for being guilty, they're punishing him for fleeing the country and avoiding justice. That's a key point. It's not about whether he's guilty or not, it's about the fact that he's chosen to avoid the legal process entirely, and that's a decision that has serious consequences even before a trial has taken place. Because in the eyes of the law, if you're willing to run from the law, you're already on the wrong side of the law, not avoiding it. Well, it means that if you're relying on security guards to protect you, you can be confident that they're not just trained and licensed, they're also committed to the law. Because the PSPLA is there to ensure that those who work in the security industry are held to a high standard of accountability. And that's a good thing. It's a reminder that the law is there to protect us, not just from criminals, but from those who would abuse their positions of trust. I know this might not be the most exciting story, but it's an important one. It's a story about accountability, about the consequences of evading the law, and about the role of the PSPLA in ensuring that the security industry remains a trusted profession. It's a reminder that even if you're not convicted, if you're willing to run from the law, you're still on the wrong side of justice. And that's a message that's worth remembering. What do you think? Should the PSPLA have canceled Singh's certificate even before he was convicted? Should the law be more lenient in cases like this? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got some more big stories coming up, and I don't want you to miss out. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and keep that critical thinking going. See you in the next video.